What's up, CG Crew? Welcome back to the channel. It is I, Tamala, and we are back today with another video. Everybody's here. You know, we're in the car, so you already know what time it is. We are about to do something, get something to eat. And wherever, oh Jesus, I seen it. And wherever else, we just seen a dead deer in the middle of the road. And we're gonna take you guys with us. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a nice thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. We will appreciate it because we know you're gonna like it. So we are at the school, well, one of the high schools, because the kids were virtual, so it's time to return the laptops. So we're waiting in the line to return their laptops. This is the line. So we went to a different Chili's. And now this Chili's, they don't start dining until after 4. This is crazy. And then they had a hiring sign outside. So, next right onto look at this butterfly. I think one of his wings is something wrong with it. Yeah. Wow. Can we take it? There's going to be something wrong with it in a second. Uh-oh. Can we take it now? I'm going to take it. So we're at IHOP. Waiting to be seated. No, they said 10, 15, well, 15, 20 minutes. But that was about, what, 15 minutes ago? Yeah, we should be seated soon. Is it cool? You want to go in there? Yeah, it's a little bit cooler because... Okay. So, yeah, I am hungry. I am hungry. So we were about to play tic-tac-toe, and of course, I won. I won most of the games, and then Double C was trying to cheat. Y'all just watch. When I put this O, I had it 2 ways. And watch, he gonna try to, he noticed it, and then he gonna mark 2 X's, watch. I won. Give me my money. Just left IHOP and wish we would have went somewhere else.
I tried to tell you where the bench warms.
but we full, but it just
it wasn't great.
Yeah. So we're gonna go to it's a grocery store, like a meat store to get some meat, and then we're gonna go to Walmart and somewhere else. So yeah, you guys, what you guys got going on this weekend? Well, what did you guys do this weekend? Because by the time you see this, it'll be next week. Well, it'll be Monday or Tuesday. So yeah, comment down below. Let me know how your weekend went. Did you guys do anything exciting? Excuse me. What is this? I don't know what kind of fruit that is. I don't know. I was trying to figure. Oh, is this a papaya? Oh, I don't know. Well, they got the eggplants. Oh, jalapenos. You say this papaya? Y'all comment down below. Let me know what fruit this is. Is this a papaya? I think it is a papaya. I think it is. Buffalo blue cheese. I'm not gonna get these combos. Yeah, they was $2 for $1. Yeah. Oh wow. Once again, it's song in my Tupac voice. Hi. Want me to video? No. No. Okay, come on. Quick Walmart run. Nothing too major. Well, 97 cents. Oh Lord, you see him.
How you doing today?
Good. No. Put the chips back. And we have a case of water. Donna, we have a case of water down here. Did Daddy want the milk duds? I'll get him one box. Huh? Move your hand now. No. Thank you. Huh? Huh? Put it over there. Daddy going to get Moochie jacket for you. Pay attention to the mask. Oh, Coxie, you really into that game like that?
I think I'll go for the book on that.
Hi. Good and you?
I'm good. What can I get y'all started to drink, guys?
That's can't eat it.
That's right.
And
Right.
lemonade for him.
Lemonade.
You have Coke or Pepsi?
Pepsi.
Okay, 2 Pepsis. You want
Pepsis?
well 3 Pepsi. You want a Pepsi?
3 Pepsis? Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Hold on. He said he was gonna change his TV. So I thought
He said he was going to change the TV, but you can see the game right through that back.
I'll be right with y'all, okay?
I don't see it.
Oh Lord.
Listen.